hope you're doing well. This is my first nail tutorial, and in this one I'm going to show you how I put together the leopard glitter nails that you see here. For this set, I used these floral leopard water decals. I cut these into separate pieces, removing the transparent film. And then cut those into halves for the half nails. Then it was time to pull out my favorite base coat and start painting. For this first step, I always use thin layers and make sure to paint the free edge of the nail. I then moved on to the first layer of glitter, leaving some nails half painted. For this particular glitter polish, and many others, you need at least 2 layers for good coverage. I tend to try to spread the glitter around a bit to make sure I cover all the bald spots. Then it was time for the nail polish. For some decals, this step wouldn't be required, but these are a bit transparent, so I needed a light base to make them pop. Just like for the base coat, I make sure to paint the free edge of the nail, and I painted the half glitter nails too. Since this polish was only used as a base, I only used one coat. I then wait at least a few minutes for all of this to dry. Now, to actually apply the decals, you need water, and I like to use a small container like this. I dip my nails into the water to make them less sticky, and then put the decal in the water, waiting 15 to 30 seconds. I use a gentle rubbing motion to remove the decal from the base, and then I apply it to the nail. I gently pat it down to remove as much water from underneath as I can and to straighten it out, and I wrap it over the free edge of the nail. This process is pretty much the same for the half-cut decals. For this next step, I use an orange wood stick, my favorite top coat, and a paper towel. I use the top coat to paint over the decal covered nail, making sure to paint over the free edge of the nail as well. I then use the orange wood stick to remove the excess decal from underneath the nail and from around it. If you want a cleaner result, you can always cut the decals to the right shape in advance, but it takes much longer, so I never bother doing it anymore. You can use nail polish remover to remove all the bits that are left in your hands, but I personally just scrub them off in the shower. And that's it. I really hope that you liked this video and that you found it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Be you, always. Bye!